Electrochemical AFM is an optional mode that monitors changes at the sample surface due to oxidation-reduction reactions. A potentiostat is combined with the AFM to control the voltage potentials and measure current between a working electrode, a reference electrode, and a counter-electrode immersed in a liquid electrolyte. Cyclic voltammetry is an EC technique to study redox behavior by sweeping the working electrode potential relative to the reference electrode and measuring the current response in the electrochemical cell. A cyclic voltammogram CV shows the cathodic and anodic peak currents during the forward and backward sweeps between switching potentials. During CV sweeps, electron transfer processes occur at the working electrode and analyte molecules can undergo oxidation and reduction at the electrode surface. The AFM can image the surface morphology of the working electrode at fixed electrode potentials along a CV curve or continuously monitor changes in the surface morphology in real time during multiple CV cycles. EC-AFM can provide information into many electrochemical processes like deposition, corrosion, and electron transfer mechanisms, as well as provide insight into material designed for sensors, catalysts, and battery or energy cell applications.